Today we talk NIO stock and 3 huge catalysts that are going to change the game for NIO. A rumor in the mix. You're not going to want to miss this one. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. But before we start the video, guys, my name is Umar Khan and I create this channel to talk about stocks, investing, and cover news in the marketplace. Lately, I've been doing a little bit of crypto, so if content like that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe and let's hop into the video. The 3 main catalysts we're going to cover in this video is 1, NIO signing a partnership with fossil fuel giant Sinopec and them recently getting listed on another stock exchange, and lastly some words by Cathie Wood involving the whole EV sector in total. So without any delay, let's jump right into the video. Let's start talking about the first one on this list. Partnership with Sinopec have not been made public yet. However, they've been highly anticipated by Chinese Securities media. Securities Daily says that going to a gas station to charge batteries for new EVs is not too far from reality and something we're going to be seeing in the near future. This rumor alone is going to be insane, because imagine just going to a gas station but to charge your electric vehicle. And with NIO having their battery swap stations where you can swap your battery in less than 3 minutes without even having to get out of your car, it's something that's just so unique and so much more different than how we see electric vehicles right now. Currently, you either charge your vehicle by plugging in your wall at night or going to a charge station and waiting there half an hour. But them having these charging stations conveniently placed at gas stations with under 3-minute change, it's going to be crazy, and it's just going to make more demand for people to get electric vehicles because it's going to become more convenient. The same article cited that NIO's 2nd generation battery swap station is expected to go live at Sinopec gas stations in Beijing on April 15th, and that NIO will also reach strategic corporation agreements with Sinopec to build battery swap stations at more Sinopec gas stations in the future. So again, like I was saying, guys, the convenience here is key. What this is going to do is it's going to expose people who don't have electric vehicles to want to get electric vehicles, to see that, oh wow, like these cars are being charged at the same place where you pump your gas. It's going to become so much more convenient. Obviously, we don't have this here in the States or in Canada just yet, but NIO, again, is only a Chinese-based EV company. There are rumors that it's coming to Europe. It could potentially come to America as well. But for now, their focus is on China. And them having these battery swap stations in place in China strategically is going to incentivize people to go out and buy EV vehicles because of the convenience it has of a 3-minute swap without having to get out of your car. And it's like going to a gas station, getting your car pumped full service. That alone is going to be insane for the NIO stock because, one, again, that partnership will generate millions of dollars because of them strategically placing these charging stations throughout Beijing as a start. Them expanding in China, it's going to be insane if the profits are going to generate. So that rumor and this news alone is going to be detrimental to the stock, and we're going to definitely see it push the stock because, again, guys, the power of them doing that is going to be something surreal. Next, we saw that on March 9th, NIO getting listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. This is another big catalyst, guys, because now what they're doing is they're exposing their stock to a whole new market. Now that Hong Kong investors could literally go onto their trading brokerage apps or go to their trading broker or bank, however they do it down there. I haven't visited yet. Now NIO's being exposed to a brand new market, bringing in new investors. However, the drawback here is that NIO will be issuing new shares, and this will dilute the stock slightly. But however, the pros outweigh the cons in the sense that there's going to be a large interest of retail investors and large institution investors that are going to get into NIO and just cause the price to go up. So yes, there's a pro and there's a con, but I honestly see this as, I see the bigger picture. I see this being bigger than it is bad because it's just going to get more retail investors on board, get more money into the market, get more money into NIO itself. So this is also going to be big for it. And lastly, like I said, we're going to cover some words by Cathie Wood. So Cathie Wood speaks on behalf of ARK Invest, saying that we expect unit sales of EV vehicles globally, including China, to compound at an 82% annualized rate in the next 5 years. Because Cathie Wood in the same interview says that the demand for vehicles, like the automotive market, is becoming slower because of rideshare platforms and because of autonomous cars. But she predicts EV to be the next big thing. Obviously, if you're familiar with Cathie Wood and ARK Invest, their large holdings are in Tesla because, again, she believes so much in Tesla. Now, this is interesting because her prediction at this 82% annualized growth is going to be insane because, guys, what does that mean for us holding any EV stock? Now, this is not just for NIO, but this is for any EV stock, Tesla, CCIV, Nikola, any other EV company that I not mentioned. It's going to be insane because more people buying the cars are just going to create more revenue for said companies. So this is going to be another great catalyst for EV vehicles in the next 5 years. Now, I've always said this from day one, that NIO was never a swing trade. It was never just a quick buy and sell at a peak. If we were going to do that, we would have sold at $67. But no, we're riding NIO out in the long run. We're taking this to the moon because, again, guys, in the next 5 years, NIO stock is going to be insane. Imagine if you invested in Tesla 5 years ago, how much you'd have now. I've seen people with small money invested in Tesla literally 3 to 5 years ago having incredible profits now. So NIO is something you definitely don't want to miss. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't advise you to go and buy it, but look at NIO's current price at 45 US dollars. That's incredibly low. It's a great time to buy, in my opinion. We did see NIO dip in the past week or so. It wasn't just NIO that dipped, but we saw the whole EV sector, actually the whole tech center in general, have a slight pullback. But honestly, guys, I see NIO hitting the goddamn moon. I price targeted this at $100 back when I first created a video on NIO, back when I just started looking through NIO, when I saw the potential this company has. We've seen tremendous growth in NIO. In my opinion, NIO is probably number 2 in EV vehicles, and I only see NIO going up from here at $47. Again, this is not financial advice, but I recommend dollar cost averaging, because you don't want to put all your eggs in and tomorrow it dips. So spread it out and devise a plan. But even at 45 US dollars, it's a great time to get into NIO, at my opinion. I currently hold NIO stock, and I'm just planning on adding more to the mix. That being said, guys, I want to know, what are your opinions on NIO? What are you bullish on NIO as much as I am? Are you holding NIO? What price are you going to get in? What price have you got in? Let me know down in the comment section below, and we'll continue the conversation over there. And if this is the first time you came across this channel, my name is Omar Khan, and I create this channel to talk about stocks, talk about investing in general. So if you're interested in content like that, do make sure you subscribe, join the journey, and don't leave this video without hitting that like button. Until next time, guys, it's your boy Omar. Only invest the money you're willing to lose. Peace.